In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect AirPods to your GoPro Hero 12 so that you can use the microphone on the AirPods to record audio onto the GoPro. And also you can use voice commands straight from the AirPods to the GoPro when you're a distance away. So to do this, go to the GoPro first. Of course, make sure it's turned on, and then swipe down from the top of the screen and then flick left. Now go to preferences and make sure wireless connections are enabled. So wireless connections, you can see wireless connections, make sure that is on. And now with wireless connections on, if you scroll down and flick left, you should see the pair device option should be active. So tap on pair device and it's going to start searching for devices to pair via Bluetooth. So put your AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing the button on the case. So when you long press the button on the case, the AirPods light on the case should start blinking like this. That means the AirPods are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you want to go to your GoPro and you'll notice it's detected the AirPods. So you can tap on the AirPods and they should connect. So you can see it turns blue. The AirPods are now connected. So you can now take them out of the case, put them in your ear and use them. And that's basically how to connect AirPods to your GoPro Hero 12. So now you can record audio and use AirPods to record as the microphone. Okay, so we just put them in your ear and use the audio from your mouth to the GoPro via Bluetooth as a microphone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.